Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Airuida Shower Faucet Set with Tub Spout, a complete bathtub faucet kit that combines style and functionality. This set boasts a high-quality stainless steel 304 rainfall shower head and a solid brass rough-in valve, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. The 8-inch square high-pressure shower head can rotate 360 degrees, offering a luxurious and comfortable shower experience. With a single-handle design, this system allows for easy control of hot and cold water flow, and it features dual functions with both a shower head and tub spout. Installation is straightforward with a wall mount design, but note that you will need to open the wall to install the valve body, and the tub spout requires a slip-on connection to NPT 1/2 nominal copper. The package includes everything you need: a shower arm, shower head, cover plate, tub spout, shower handle, rough-in valve, and even a restrictor valve for the shower head. Upgrade your bathroom with this elegant and efficient shower faucet set, designed to bring a touch of luxury to your daily routine. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.